Asian guy with English try. Giving back 30% to charity from this channel. Kindly subscribe and support. Let's start the video. 9 lesser known facts about Coca Cola. The mysterious ingredients. While the exact formula of Coca Cola is closely guarded secret, is known to contain a blend of natural flavors, including oils from citrus, fruits, spices, and vanilla. The precise combination remains a mystery, adding to the intrigue surrounding the drink. Number 1. Innovations during the war era. American soldiers' rations included Coca-Cola during World War II. Military bases were close to mobile bottling plants so that soldiers could enjoy the beverage in isolated areas. Number 2. The mythical Pemberton Ledger. Legend has it that all original formula for Coca-Cola was written in the ledger by Dr. John Pemberton himself. However, despite extensive researches, the ledger has never been found, fueling speculation and mystery. Number 3. Coca-Cola and space exploration. In 1985, Coca-Cola became the first soft drink consumed in space. When astronauts aboard the space shuttle Challenger enjoyed the carbonated beverage in orbit. Number 4. The new Coke fiasco. In 1985, Coca-Cola introduced new Coke in response to competition from rival brands. However, the public outcry was so intense that the original formula was quickly reinstated as Coca-Cola Classic, demonstrating the strong emotional attachment consumers have to the brand. Number 5. The Coca-Cola Freestyle Machine. The Coca-Cola Freestyle Machine, introduced in 2009. The Coca-Cola Freestyle Machine revolutionized the beverage industry by offering over 100 different drink options, allowing customers to customize their soda experience. Number 6. Coca-Cola's role in Olympic history. Coca-Cola has been a long-time sponsor of the Olympic Games. Dating back to 1928, it's the only brand to have sponsored every Olympic Games since then, contributing to its global presence and cultural importance. Number 7. The power of marketing. Coca-Cola's marketing campaigns have become legendary. From the iconic Hilltop commercial featuring the song "I Would Like to Buy the World a Coke" to the memorable Share a Coke campaign which personalized bottles with people's names. Number 8. Coca-Cola's controversial past. Over the years, Coca-Cola has faced criticism for various reasons, including allegations of contributing to obesity and environmental concerns related to its packaging. These controversies highlight the complex relationship between corporations and societal issues. Number 9. Coca-Cola Archives. Coca-Cola maintains an extensive archive documenting its history, including vintage advertisements, memorabilia and artifacts. Located in Atlanta, Georgia, the Coca-Cola archives offer a glimpse into a brand's evolution over time. And there you have it, a glimpse into the hidden traces of Coca-Cola. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for joining us.